I would like to demonstrate you how to maintain the pump system. Here we have the maintenance kit, comes with the stove kit. We turn that screw cover counterclockwise. Simply take the shaft out of the pump. Take the grease out of the package. Here is the grease that needs to be applied to the tip section of the shaft. The area the grease must be applied to is right here in this area. Using the tip of the finger, take a small amount of grease and begin applying. This will be the amount that is properly applied. And then place back the shaft inside the pipe. Securely turn. This video is to demonstrate how to clean up the soiled burner head as well as the stove body. First of all, by using the multi-tool, unscrew the screw to take the generator unit and hose unit. Then take the burner head, simply twisting counterclockwise. And it comes up very easy. Between the burner body and burner head, there is a ring that you can take the ring off of it. Now we are ready to submerge each parts into the lukewarm water. First of all, the body of the stove, burner head, burner ring. Now we have toothbrush. Actually, this is not exactly a toothbrush, but the coarseness of the brush is almost equivalent to a toothbrush. So if you have an old toothbrush, that would be the most ideal. Pick up the burner head and then begin brushing like so. You may want to repeat a few times depending upon how tough the cleanup will be. Burner ring. The body of the stove.